Howdy, I am Crystal Sproul Carter, and I would like to introduce you to Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation. This module will focus on defining and describing Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation. In addition, strengths and weaknesses will be identified and examples will be given in respect to each level. Donald Kirkpatrick was a professor at the University of Wisconsin and a past president of the American Society for Training and Development. He is best known for creating the highly influential 4-level model for training course evaluation, which served as the subject of his PhD dissertation in 1954. Kirkpatrick's ideas were published to a broader audience in 1959 in a series of articles in the U.S. Training and Development Journal, but they are better known from a book he published in 1994 entitled Evaluating Training Programs. 4 levels within the model are Level 1, Reaction, Level 2, Learning, Level 3, Behavior, and lastly, Level 4, Results. His 4 levels of evaluation was designed as a sequence to evaluate training programs so organizations don't spend time and money on trainings that don't provide a satisfactory return. According to Kirkpatrick's model, evaluation should always start at Level 1 and then, as time and budget allow, move through levels 2, 3, and 4 sequentially. Let us examine each of these levels. Level 1 is reaction, the first level of evaluation. This level measures how favorably the trainees reacted to the training with the driving question, did they like the program? Data gathered in this level is often by questionnaire with responses through Likert scales. Asking participants if they like the materials, instructor, or venue will reveal little about how to improve the program. However, according to Guerrero, questions based on measurable, observable behaviors will. Example questions include, is there enough learner participation? Is the order of instruction appropriate for learning? Look at Level 2, Learning. This level measures what the participants have learned. The goal is to move the evaluation beyond learner satisfaction and focus on the extent to which students have increased their skills. The trainer would measure these parameters against objectives. This is often done by using pre-test and post-test, with the difference being attributable to the training program. This level is said to be more rigorous than Level 1, but requires a skilled evaluator apt in designing tests and measuring data. Level 3 is about behavior. At this level, the trainer evaluates the participant to see if they have changed their behavior based on the training when they are back on the job. Specifically, how learners have applied the information they've learned. This level represents the ultimate test of a program's effectiveness for many trainers. However, measuring at this level is difficult because measuring at the wrong time can lead to inaccurate findings and conclusions. Appropriate observation methods should be selected, such as reassessments, employer-supervisor surveys, or interviews. Lastly, we will talk about Level 4, Results. At this level, the evaluator analyzes the final results of the training by measuring the outcomes. These outcomes are measured against the criteria that the organization has determined would be good for business, the employees, and the bottom line. Documenting any evidence of the effects of training is key to justifying the assistance and cost of the program. Consideration of sufficient time to see an impact of results is suggested, and a baseline should be established as with the other 3 levels. As a recap, Kirkpatrick's model provides a framework that easily helps people think about measuring training and is simple to conceptualize. However, its limitations include the evaluations usually are not applied in its entirety, stopping at level 1 or 2, and leaving misunderstandings and poor decisions. By utilizing Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation, a well-accepted evaluation framework, an instructor can gain an understanding of how effective the training was and how it can be improved in the future. For more information about Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation, the following references are recommended. Thank you for watching.